Today's recipe is on Kokonte. Yes, the easiest way I prepare my Kokonte, simple and easy, and to get it smooth without any lumps. And so if you're watching me and you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, click on the notification bell, share the video for me. So I have water there with my Kokonte flour, cassava flour. We'll mix everything for it to be very smooth. Yes, please share this video for me, leave a comment also. And so I'm going to add water to it. You don't have to make it too light or too thick. Yes, so this is okay. We'll take it to fire, and I'll still use the whisk to mix it or to stir it till it becomes thick. It forms very well for me. If you're a new person here, welcome to my channel, and do subscribe for me. Like this video, leave a comment, click on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. And so for the rest of the video, we are going to keep quiet. This is